dear students. Today we will take the lesson chapter 6 from the part 1 reader, algebraic expressions and identities. Algebraic expressions and identities. So what is meant by algebra? As we know, algebra is a part of mathematics. It is a part of mathematics. So algebra contains terms, factors, expression, coefficients, like this. Different terms are there. Suppose first coming is a constant. So what is meant by constant? We know what is the constant. Constant has a fixed value that will never change. Suppose 2, 4, 6, like this. Numbers are the constant. Constant means it is a fixed value. There is fixed value, no other value. We cannot give the value for 2. One more number is not there for 2. 2 is 2 itself. So this is a constant. Now after the constant, terms. Like this. This is the algebraic term. This is first variable terms. Variable. Any alphabets in the small letter, not in a capital letter, any alphabets, that is called a variable. Why we are calling these alphabets as a variable? Means we can give any values for those. Means x, we can take, let x equal to 1, let y equal to 10. Like this. We can give any values for these variables. Okay. Next is the expression. Expression. So what is meant by expression? Expression means the number and the variable together it will come. Like this. This is called an expression. This is called an expression. Or like this also we can write. Addition, subtraction, anything you can do. These are all called the expression. Called an expression. Okay. Next coming is the coefficients. What is meant by coefficients? In coefficient, two types of coefficients are there. One is the lateral numeral coefficients. One more is the algebraic coefficient. Means, suppose the number 4x, in this x is the algebraic coefficient. Algebraic coefficient. 4 is a numeral coefficient. Understood? 4 is a numeral coefficient. Means number is a numeral coefficient. Algebraic and variable is an algebraic coefficient. They may ask, what is the numeral coefficient here? What is the algebraic coefficient in this? xy. Or you can write -5 here. -5. Or they may ask, without mentioning algebraic or numeral, just they may ask, what is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient x here? Leave this x, remaining one you have to write. Leave this x, remaining one you have to write. minus 5y. Here they did not mention which coefficient. Okay. If they mention what is the numerical coefficient, what is the coefficient of minus 5? That will mean is xy. What is the coefficient of y? Minus 5x. Understood? What is the coefficient of xy? Minus 5. So these are all may come for 1 marks. These are all may come for 1 mark. So write and take this one, okay, in that notes. Okay, next we will go for the monomial, means types of the algebraic terms. Means the monomial, binomial, trinomial, more than that means it is a polynomial. We'll see. Types of algebraic terms. First one. First one is the monomial. Monomial means what? The expression that contains only one term. This you have to write in the notes. I will not send once again the notes. Copy from here only. Expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. Monomial means, example, 2x minus 5y 3 by 4 z. Like these numbers will come. Like one term. In between, addition subtraction should not be there. In between, not in the starting. In the starting, subtraction sign can be. But in between, in middle, addition subtraction should not be there. Division multiplication can. That is the monomial. So next we will go for the binomial. What is mean by binomial? Expression that contains by means two terms. Expression that contains two terms. We know these are all the expressions. These are all the expressions. How many terms are there? That says the types of the polynomial. This is algebraic expression. So 4x plus 5. Now we need plus or minus sign in the middle. That splits the terms. 1, 2, 1, 2. If plus or minus sign is there, the terms will split. Otherwise, addition, multiplication and division terms will not split. That is a single. Here, minus 6y plus 7. 1, 2. In between, plus or minus sign should be there. That is a binomial. Trinomial. Tri means 3. Expression that contains 3 terms is a trinomial. So the example, 5x minus 7y plus 5z. 3 times, 1, 2, 3. This is the trinomial. Okay. Next. more than 3 terms, that goes for the polynomial. Polynomial. Any number more than 3, 4, 5, 6. Any number of terms, if it comes, it is called as a polynomial. Three terms. Example. Like this. Any more than 3, that's all. It is only 3, trinomial, only 2, binomial, single, it is a monomial. More than 3, polynomial. Okay. Next, like and unlike term. Like and unlike. Copy this in the notes. Like means the coefficient must be same. Okay. Any number of expression they may give, the coefficient must be same. Then it is a like one. Suppose example, like terms. So x, everywhere x only. Suppose now this is not like, this is the unlike. You will say gumpige serada pada, like that. In maths, gumpige serada pada is that. Means same coefficient must be there. If one coefficient extra comes, it is not a like. Suppose or 3x square, 4x square, 5x. Now here x square means x. Not possible. Not possible. This must be a x square. Otherwise it's not possible. Understood? Coefficient must be same. Then only it is a like. Unlike means this is unlike. Here x is there, here y is there, here xy is there, mixed. That is the unlike terms. Okay. They will ask some numbers, they will give some expressions, they will give. They will ask you to identify the like terms. Suppose wait, I will. Now we must group in this like and unlike. How to group? Like. Here y is there. Here x square is there. Not possible. Over. Second. This over finished. X square. Two are there. Below. That is the next one. This is the A. This is the B. Next y, single y is there, that cannot, we will write here, 7 now. Here xy, here yx, xy, yx is same, okay, xy, yx is same. 7xy, can you see here? xy, yx is same. Remaining is what? For this no pairs, so it is the unlike. Let me see, you can see the board. Yeah. Understood like and unlike. Next to operations in arithmetic expression means addition, subtraction, multiplication, these all. Copy this. These questions are important. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay, right, we will write the question. Remember one thing, while adding we need a like terms. While subtracting also we need a like terms. Addition subtraction needs a like terms. With unlike term you cannot add or subtract. You can multiply but you cannot add or subtract with the unlike terms. Remember. So how to add? 7x square 4x plus 5. While writing this one, under the same coefficient you have to write. Now x is there means under x only you have to write. You cannot write under the x square. 9x here. This is plus here. Constant, under the constant only with the sign. Don't change sign. This is addition. Plus 5 minus 10. 1 plus 1 minus, we have to go for the subtraction. But the sign contains the bigger number sign. Remember that one. Here x, don't add x. X as it is your right. Minus 4 plus 10. 1 plus 1 minus, again subtraction. Bigger number sign plus. Here nothing is there, 0. So 7x square. 0x square. Coefficient remains same, okay? This is the one way, one more way. Addition they said, so I'll put here plus sign. Plus sign. In higher classes we are using that method. So which one is easy for you, that one you do. But this you have to study later, not now. If you cannot study now, at later you have to study. There is no other option. But which one is easy that you do. Now see, x square term, how many are there? 1 is there. 1 means you have to write like that only. X terms, 2 x terms are there. Don't add x and some other term. Cannot. 4x and 5 you can't add. If you add it, wrong it is. X and x. Minus 4 plus 9. Be careful about the sign. Minus 4 plus 9. 1 plus 1 minus subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. But the sign contains always bigger number sign. 5x. Don't give the coefficient. Next remaining is this side. This. Plus 5 minus 10 minus 5. In single step you will get the One more addition I will do. This is the question. Now, this is the column type I will do. This is the column method they will say. Down by down we are writing. First one I have written. Second one you have to search and write. Where are the same terms? 4yz. Here. It contains plus 4yz. See this side here. Nothing is there, is plus. Next, 9zx plus 9zx, zx, minus 4y, here xy, so minus 4y is different, so write out of that, because in this y term is not there, xy cannot. Next, minus 3xz, xz, zx, xz, same. Zx and xz are same. Minus 3, xz is there. Here I am writing zx. Is there no interchange? That is okay. Plus 5x. No. Then you put here 0. Here write plus 5x. Don't write under this. Leave this gap and go that side. Plus 5x. Minus 2xy. xy. Here. This is 0xy, this here minus 2xy. Now empty places you write 0. 0 and that coefficient. Here while writing 0 plus I will put. That is just for not to miss any terms. Understood? Or don't go wrong. That's the reason. 0, 0, 5. 0 plus 5 is 5, not 0. Here minus 4, remaining all 0. Here, therefore, here minus 3 plus 9. 1 plus 1 minus subtraction. 9 minus 3, 6 plus bigger one is plus. So 6 plus 6 minus 3, 3. Bigger one is plus, so plus. Why is that? 5 plus 4, 9. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5xy. This is the one method. One more method I'll do. Copy this. Careful while writing, don't miss the places and don't miss the sign also. With the concentration you have to do, otherwise you will go wrong in this lesson. This lesson is easy, but with the concentration if you have done. If you have missed your concentration, if you saw whole world and afterwards you are solving the problem, you will go wrong. There is no doubt at all, because many of the students are feeling these lessons is a tough because they don't have the concentration. Here we can say the child is having a concentration or not. Only this lesson, your concentration you can decide. Okay, next method is a column method, row method. Here I write directly the question one. You don't write like that. You write the question one side and stop. With comma that I will be moved. They said plus I plus. Here plus. Two sides we cannot write together, so I write the right. Now xy xy. 7 minus 2xy, 5xy. Finish. xy is fixed. yz, yeah. Plus 5 plus 4 plus 9yz. Next zx is the answer. Okay? Which one is easy? Like it. This is about plus. Next I go for the subtraction. In the exam, one method is given. This is the question. Subtract this from that means from that. That one you have to write first. From comes means second term you have to write first. 7x square okay. That is the first. Next, while this writing is one, such the common same terms. 5x square y square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 outside because here not there. So which is mixed? There you write 0 plus 0xy plus 0x. Dear student, remember one thing, in the subtraction we have to change the sign, not direct subtraction. In the addition nothing is there direct, but in the subtraction we have to change the sign. What is changing the sign means? Changing the sign means we have to see the lower line, which is the lower line here. See, we have to change the sign by seeing the lower line. It contains plus here. Changing means that is a minus. See this line, this line. This is a plus, minus. Minus, plus, opposite. Plus, minus. Plus, minus. Minus, plus. After changing the sign, you have to consider these signs for this. This becomes now minus 5x square. Don't write here only, don't change here only. Lower, down you have write changing sign, okay? Leave some space and write upwards to the line. Minus 5x square it is now, this is 0, no problem. This becomes 4 plus 4y, this is 0. Minus 6y, this becomes plus 3 now. Now change the sign you have to take, consider. Now see, 7 minus 5, not plus 5, 7 minus 5, 2x square, this is greater, so plus. Minus 4, minus 0, 0 no problem, minus 4 only. 0 you don't consider in the subtraction and addition, will it? Plus 8, plus 4. Right, the coefficient also don't give. Plus 5, 0. Minus 3, minus 6. Both are minus, add and bigger number sign. Bigger number sign is minus. Don't see this sign, minus. Here, plus 3. Understood? One more method. Copy this. Right, second term first, one more method is. Now subtract. Careful, subtract means minus. When you are writing minus sign, then all the terms must be in the bracket. Okay? It's compulsory in the bracket. If you not put the bracket, your answer will go wrong. Because we have to multiply by that sign for all the terms. Now one more step is there. As it is, you write this one, this first term, first Right. Now minus you have to multiply for everywhere. How many terms are there? For all the terms. Minus into plus, minus 5x square, minus into minus. Bracket says it is a into. Plus 4y square, minus into plus, minus into minus. For this reason we are changing the sign in the column method. Understood? Now 7x square, 5x square, 2x square, 4xy, no, same. Y square, yes, plus 8 plus 4, 12. 5x, no. Only one term is right as it is. 3y, minus 3, minus 6. Both are minus, add and bigger numbers. It's over. This is remaining. Plus 4, y square is over. No? Yeah, y square is finished. Plus 3 is remaining. Correct, no? Okay. This is the whole thing. Now, exercise 6.1, page 92, Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4. Homework for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. All full exercise. Completed. This is there for the exam. Next, multiplication of a monomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, everything. And a polynomial. Multiplication. I said already, in multiplication, coefficient need not be same. Coefficient need not be same. Any coefficients we can multiply. Okay? Like this. See. Here while multiplying, 3 terms you have to see. First sign multiplication. Next number multiplication. Next coefficient multiplication. Okay? Sign multiplication, number multiplication, coefficient multiplication. 3 times the terms are there. Steps are there. Plus into plus. Plus. 4 5s are number 20. X into x. Now we have to go for our exponents. If the bases are same, we have to add the powers. If the bases are same, we have to add the powers. Remember? X. Nothing power is there, means 1 is there always. X into x. So x to the power 1 plus 1. That is 20x to the power 2. Okay. This is the second question. First sign, minus plus, minus into plus, minus. 5 7s are. Now coefficient x not there, right, as it is. Y here 1. 1, 1, 2. Here not there anything, but here is remaining Z. Both the side you have to see, not only say one side. Understood? This plus into plus into minus, minus. 5 is a 15, 15 6 are 90. Okay. X square, 2 plus 2, 4. Here only 1x, 5. Powers you add. Y. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here finished, but here one term is remaining. What is that? Z square. Understood? This is a monomials. Now binomial comes means 4x in the bracket. What it says means what is there outside the bracket. From that, this also will multiply and this also will multiply. Means it is a distribution law. Distribution law is there in that. Now, here to here. First sign plus. 4 5s are 20. X into y. No different coefficients. So, xy. Same coefficient means you have to add the power. Finish. Now, from this to here. Both see the plus. 4 6 are 24. xz. xy. Can't add. Different coefficients. Can't add. Don't go for the addition now at last. Different coefficients you cannot add in here. Okay. Copy this all. Now 6 no. Side. From this to this to this to this. Brackets outside some number is there means from that number you have to multiply all inside the bracket numbers. Okay, that you remember every day. Minus plus 7 4s are 28. X not there. X y square 1 and 1. Then in this finish, but in this one extra is there. Sir. You have to see both, all extras you have to write, don't leave. Minus. 7 8s are 56, correct now? X, y. Understood? Minus. 7 3s are x, y. Now xy square z, x square y, xy square. All are different terms. You can add. If any two terms are same, with the coefficients you can add or subtract. But all different means you can add. Okay. Understood. Monomial to binomial understood. Monomial to monomial understood. Next, binomial to binomial means two terms to two terms. Two terms to two terms. See. This how take the first term of this first term and this full. y square, x is remaining x. Any same is x, y, z? No. X square y? No. Y square z? All. It is same here to add or subtract. What is sign is there that you have to do. This is about the multiplications. There are a lot of problems in the exercise and examples. Study it carefully, okay? Solve and study. Studying is not reading the reader. Write and solve and check the answers. In the example means there will be the answer. There only check. In the exercise means backside there is the answer. Check the answers or don't copy from anywhere, please. One more. Binomial and trinomial. Any number of terms they may give. The method is same, okay? Write the first term, then the full set. Second term, give the sign. Full set. From this to all, from that to all, that's all. Plus 35 x py plus minus minus 8 5s are 40 x py. Sorry, this is not y, this is the q. Plus 5 6 are 30. X square remaining to our PQ. Correct? This minus 6 7s are 42. Minus 6 7 42. Y is not there, Z is not there, P is not there, Q is not there. Minus 6 is 48. Y is our PQ. Not PQ, this is the Y. Y is. Minus 6 6 are 36. Y is a PQX. Nothing is in. Everything is right. XPQ. XPQY is XPY. No symptoms. This is the multiplication. Okay. You must be careful about the sign, number, coefficient. If the same coefficient, add or different coefficient, write as it is. That's all. So in this addition subtraction will come. I will do two problems. One addition, one subtraction. How to do? Simple. Add. Copy that. Okay. the sign here. Here you have to write it's less. Minus 39. This is addition, so don't go for changing the sign. Right? Minus plus minus. But bigger number sign less. Plus minus minus. Bigger number sign. Okay, like this. Subtraction to say. First multiply quarter century 3 p square q minus 3 pq square from 2 p square q plus 2 pq square. Okay. Now from is this second one first. If you write it down by down, second one first and change the sign. P square q, this one. Minus 3q. Subtraction, change the sign. Plus, minus. Minus, plus. Pq square. Don't touch the coefficient as it is. In addition, subtraction coefficient as it is. Don't add the power or subtract the power. That's only the multiplication, remember. 2 plus 3, change the sign. 5. Plus, this is plus. P square q. 2 minus 3, minus 1. Like this. Now in this lesson, identity is remaining. That I will do next on Monday. Now there are a lot of homework is there. Solve all the example questions from the reader and exercise 6.3. Page 98. Roman number 1. 2 Roman. In Roman number 3, first one and fourth one, why I am saying pick the reader. Roman number 3, 1 and 4. And Roman number 5. 4 Roman. Not finished, there is a Roman exercise 6.4. In Roman number 1, 1 to 5th. You have to solve. Don't say the homework is more, that is more, this is more. We can't do anything. We have to give everything. Otherwise, you will not. We cannot finish the lessons. Now it's more or less. We can't do anything. You have to solve. There is no other option. Otherwise, you have to leave. If you left it, you will feel difficulty next year. That's all. I don't know. And Roman number 2 full. Roman number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th one only. In Roman number 3, 7th one only, remaining all. Next, identity and practical geometry. Practical geometry I will explain in my book by holding not in the board. That's difficult to explain the constructions. But identity I will do in next class. Thank you. Complete homework. All the things are there for the exam. Remember. There is no days, so do it yourself now itself. Start studying. There is no revision again. Remember, I cannot finish my lesson, so there is no revision again. You have to study what I am given. That itself is a revision. Because this video will be there in the book always. In the YouTube always. So no need to do the revision once again. If you refer this one again, you will get the revision yourself. Thank you.